In today's video, we have came up with a small strategy. The reason for saying short is that this strategy is very simple, so there is less hassle in analysis. You can easily do analysis. If you don't believe, watch this video, then you will understand how easy this is. So the strategy that I will share today, here you have to use an indicator and its name is keltner channel. So we will show you everything and also we will share this indicator. So today we will discuss how to set up this indicator, how to do analysis and how to take entry by using this indicator. So to know the details, stay with us till the end. And I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. So first let's talk how to set up. Those who regularly watch our videos must remember a video about Bollinger Bands. This is an indicator and we have uploaded a video on how to analyze by using Bollinger Band. Many have seen this video and there we had used Bollinger Band. And today's indicator is similar to Bollinger Band. So today's video will be very easy for those who have watched our previous video. However, today's indicator is called keltner channel, through which you can easily analyze the market. Very easy, so you can understand its type if you see a little. To set up it, you need to go to the indicator option in the trading view chart. Click on the indicator option, then a page will appear. Search by typing the name of this indicator, then a indicator will come in front of you. So if you click once, this indicator will set up in your chart. Now it's time to do analysis. You can see we have set up our indicator. One thing to keep in mind is that this indicator is not available in MT4. That means you will not get this indicator in MT4. So you have to download first for MT4. But you can get this indicator in TradingView for free. So watch the video. If you like this indicator, please comment and let us know if you need this indicator for MT4. Then we will share this indicator. However, it's available in the TradingView for free. So it's best to use in TradingView. Now let's see how to do analysis with this indicator. It's very easy to analyze through this indicator. We have to do analysis here in the same way as we did in the case of Bollinger Band. Here you can see 3 lines and Bollinger Band also has 3 lines. So in this indicator, 1 line in the middle and 2 lines on either side. The 2 lines on either side are called ATR line. This indicator has been created in combination with ATR and the line you see in the middle is called the moving average. So basically we will do the analysis considering the 2 lines on either side. If you look a little better, then you will see that the market was between these 2 lines most of the time. So we will follow these 2 lines. So that way you follow this strategy. When the market rise and touch the top line, you wait and notice the position of the candle that touched. In other words, wait until the candle is finished. Then you will notice how the candle touch the upper line with shadow or with body. If the candle touch the upper line with shadow, then you will take sell entry. You must know what is body and shadow. Thick part is called body and the thin part you see is called shadow. So your main job will be you can take sell entry when the candle touch the upper line with shadow. Then you will take sell entry, and that's why you have to wait until the candle is finished. So main thing is that you will wait when the market touch the upper line. Then if the candle is finished, then you will see the candle is touched with shadow or body. If the candle is touched the upper line with shadow, then you will take sell entry. You can see on the screen that the shadow has touched the upper line. So in such a moment, you will take sell entry. And you can see that market went down a lot. So this is example for this strategy. And you will get a lot of placement like this. I hope you have understood. Now you can see that the market body is touched the upper line. But you should not take any entry from such a placement. If the candle touch with just shadow, then you can take entry. But you can see that the candle touched with body and market don't went down. Market went up. So you should follow this way. Again, in the same way you can take buy entry. For example, when the market goes down and the shadow touch the lower line, then you will order buy entry. There is no need to take entry if you see the candle touch the lower line with body, because at that time market can be go down and its possibility is higher. So you should follow shadow. So if you take entry, you have to face loss. As you can see in this place, the candle touch the lower line with body. So market has not risen. So if you take entry from this place, you have to face loss. So in order to avoid such loss, you have to do proper analysis. That is why you have to follow the shadow. Moreover, you will see many times when the market is very downtrend, if the candle touch any line, then you should take entry carefully. Because you can see that when the market goes up, that means when the market is in a trend, then market can go anywhere. So in trending market, you have to take entry carefully. So when you see that the market is absolutely downtrend or uptrend and the line is also up and down, then you have to take entry carefully, or you should avoid taking any entry. But if you see these two lines, that means upper line and lower line are straight, then if the candle touch the lower line or upper line with shadow, then you can take entry easily. So keep this thing in your mind. As you can see, the market is in the downtrend, and at that time the candle touched the bottom line but did not return after touching. So you have to follow this. And another thing is that here candle touched the line with body, so market did not came back. So obviously follow this strategy as you can see we are following. Although these indicators are similar to Bollinger Band, there are many differences in their effectiveness. So we shared this indicator so that you can get better indicator. So practice well in the demo account before using it in real account. This will make you profitable. And there have more things. Obviously I will discuss, but before that I have a request that if you don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any updates, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. Now let's see the rest video. Okay, now let's discuss a little how to set up SL and TP. A big advantage of this indicator is that you can easily set up SL and TP through this indicator. This indicator will help you to set up SL and TP. I said at the beginning, the market is in this indicator most of the time. So when you take buy entry, you will set up the TP up to the top line. I am saying again, when the market will touch the bottom line, and then if you take buy entry, you will place the TP up to the upper line, because in most cases the market comes up to the upper line. And if you take sell entry, then you can set up your TP at the bottom line. So this is absolutely right way to set up TP by following this indicator. So this indicator will help you to set up TP, and you can set up your SL by following back point. So I hope you understand our today's video, and I hope there is no problem in this indicator. If you face any problem and if you don't understand anything, let us know in the comment box. FOREX BD definitely will help you. So obviously follow this indicator as you can see in this video. So for your help, before finishing the video, let's take a look at this strategy shortly. So that way you follow this strategy, when the market rise and touch the top line, you wait and notice the position of the candle that touched. In other words, wait until the candle is finished. Then you will notice how the candle touch the upper line with shadow or with body. If the candle touch the upper line with shadow, then you will take sell entry. You must know what is body and shadow. Thick part is called body and the thin part you see is called shadow. So your main job will be, you can take sell entry when the candle touch the upper line with shadow. Then you will take sell entry, and that's why you have to wait until the candle is finished. So main thing is that you will wait when the market touch the upper line. Then if the candle is finished, then you will see the candle is touched with shadow or body. If the candle is touched the upper line with shadow, then you will take sell entry. You can see on the screen that the shadow has touched the upper line. So in such a moment, you will take sell entry. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you are creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the FOREX BD's link. If you use FOREX BD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time. Do your account under FOREX BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. Forex BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.